Carol Cumes, owner and founder of Willka T'ika, first visited the Sacred Valley in the early 1980s and created Willka T'ika in 1994. She was captivated by the gentle Quechua people and the magical healing energy of the Andean mountains. As a longtime yoga practitioner and gardener, Carol wanted to create a garden retreat center synergizing the Andean culture, yoga philosophy, and healthy living. Willka T'ika offers massage therapy, outdoor healing herbal baths, and crystal beds. Willka T'ika has drawn some of the world's most renowned yoga and spiritual teachers. It offers an exquisite environment for all kinds of workshops and creative endeavors. Willka T'ika is an environmentally conscious retreat center. It utilizes solar power, and almost everything is built on-site utilizing local materials. Willka T'ika also supports local and surrounding Quechua communities. More than 17 years ago, neighboring Quechua farming families came to find work at Willka T'ika. Their multi-talents grew, and today they administer the entire operation. They are truly the heart and soul of Willka T'ika. The Willka T'ika Children's Fund was created to preserve the indigenous culture of the young Quechua children while providing them with free, quality education. Willka T'ika frequently hosts loving Q'ero healers who conduct ceremonies and offerings to Pachamama.
I bought this piece of land because of this incredible ancient lukma tree, which is said to be about 1,000 years old, which means it was planted by the pre-Inca people. And today it forms the crown chakra to all the beautiful gardens that we have today. At Willka T'ika we have 7 gardens that correspond to the 7 chakras of the body, and each one has magnificent flowers and medicinal plants that bring healing and well-being to all the guests who choose to sit in them.
Before I've been in Willka T'ika, I start to work with the spiritual groups, and sometimes it's hard to take them to that special connection with the planet, no? With the earth, with Pachamama for us. So the first time for me, and still now, I am probably already 5 times here, is a discovering of something new. Carol, who designed this place, for sure was in a special level when she decided to create the gardens. The most important is which garden calls you. You sit down and you feel that something is moving, that something is shaking your body and cleansing it. Well, the food is great. It's vegetarian, organic, has a lot of love for sure, because eating a little bit you feel full. And I know that they have organic gardens here, the base of the Sacred Valley. This is not a hotel, this is a house. The perfect place to find yourself. You don't need a map, because your heart is going to take you to this place, to Willka T'ika.